Jeffrey was up all night rehearsing his presentation. With only a small travel bag in hand, he grabbed a multi-port adapter so, no matter the IT setup of the client's boardroom, Jeffrey could not only confidently get the job done, but impress. And impress he did. Nina walked away eager to start her next big project. Nina was a PC user, the only one on the graphic design team. But the docking station didn't care. It was compatible with all. With so many ideas swirling around, Nina quickly got to work on her multi-monitor workstation. A smile spread across her face as she worked, turning her inspiration into productivity. She was totally nailing it. As with any major IT deployment, Peter had his work cut out for him. He had many desk setups to complete with very little time. He breathed a sigh of relief. Docking stations with no drivers to install and no cables to find meant no deployment headaches to stand in his way. Every day, in many languages around the globe, StarTech.com makes it easy for IT and business professionals like Jeffrey, Nina, and Peter to connect their critical productivity tools. Hard to find, made easy. This is what we do at StarTech.com. Happy to help. To find your perfect laptop docking station, visit us at www.startech.com.